What is up to the dumb kids? Why? I'm really just trying to make strong videos. I don't know why it's not satisfying. Listen to this. No, I didn't make the sound. Hold on. Listen to this. He put a booger on me. How dare he? This dude must have massive boogers. Ugh, I really don't want to touch it. Ugh. I have to. Gotta get it off of me. Get it off of me. I got you. Just stick all the booger juice on each other. It's so hot. So many boogers on me. Get off me, boogers. Just get off. You can go ahead. Get off. Get off. You can go ahead. Do your thing. You just gotta, Oh, no, get off of my eyebrows. Ah, hey. Boogers again. Please get away. No. Oh, boogers. Get away. Ew. The boogers are nasty and they're trying to kill me every day. Boogers are nasty. They don't really eat. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna end this video here. If you haven't already subscribed and liked this video and left a comment, you need to. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and still leave a comment. And guess what? I basically post YouTube videos every weekend, or maybe like a nighttime video. Like I'm probably gonna post a video tonight, even though I gotta go to school tomorrow. It depends if I'm, up still, cause I sleep. Like I love sleep. Like I love sleep. I don't fall asleep at school. I love sleep. I just love it. It's like my passion. Sleeping is my passion. Bye.